Instagram Threads, can we use it for affiliate marketing? The answer is yes. So have you heard about Threads from Instagram? It's their answer to Twitter, okay? This is crazy. It's the Twitter competition is Threads, okay? It's the best of both worlds between Twitter and Instagram, because the problem with Instagram was you could never post links. With Threads, you could post links. In the first 24 hours of Threads, they had over 30 million signups. That beat ChatGPT's record of the fastest launch to reach 1 million users. So what is Threads? Threads is basically text-based. You can post videos, you can post photos, you can post up to 10 photos into a carousel, and you can post 5-minute videos. And it's a 500 character limit. So basically what you do is you write a 500 character review post or a 5-minute video. Or I wouldn't go 5 minutes, attention span, and we still got to experiment on Threads, but it's been working 17 seconds on other platforms. It's working just fine. And you can share your affiliate links. That's the killer of it. You can share your affiliate links. Now, here's the thing. There's no algorithm right now. It's new, okay? Everybody's getting pushed out to everybody. So be consistent and post often. This may turn out to be very important that you be niche oriented. Niche, okay? Be niche oriented. Be the guy on Threads in your niche. So there's no hashtags right now on Threads. I don't know if that's going to change, but there's no highlighted hashtags, so you don't bother using hashtags. I would use keyword phrases in my post, in my 500 character post. So the key here is to message people in your niche, follow people in your niche, and engage with people in your niche. My question is, will this kill Instagram? You have to have an Instagram account, the Threads account. It's tied to your Instagram account. So all your contacts, followers from Instagram are going to transfer over to your Threads account. And now you can post links to all those people. So my advice to you is to get out, get yourself a Threads account, start posting review posts, put your affiliate links in there and start driving traffic. Where are you driving traffic to? We're driving traffic to Amazon, the Amazon influencers. So we're going to use this for the Amazon influencers program. So take your affiliate link, use your offsite link, and put it in there and drive traffic to Amazon and get new traffic. Cool thing about Threads is that it's going to be integrated through the Activity Pub. That's going to integrate it with Mastodon and WordPress. So you're going to get exposure from people you had no exposure from before on Mastodon and WordPress. You're going to have exposure to those people too, just by posting on Threads. This is your chance. Start posting on a regular basis. Get your review videos and your review posts out there on Threads. While the algorithm is still not popping, okay, they're going to be pushing everybody. Be that person. Be that person in your niche that's posting regularly, so that the algorithm, when it comes, will pick you up and you'll be the guy in your niche. Okay? Threads has the advantage of meta behind it. This isn't going away. So like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Are you going to use Threads? Are you going to take a chance and start posting your content on Threads? As always, subscribe to the channel.